How to get my child to concentrate during homeschool. There is nothing more frustrating than trying to make your child concentrate on the work they have been set by their school. We know that you would rather be doing anything than forcing your child to focus on schoolwork in your own home. Here are some tips to keep your home and school balance without stressing yourself out. We all know that school runs from about 8 AM to 3 PM. Remember though that your child isn't at school. The only thing that's set in stone is your child's online classes. The set work doesn't need to be done in that time. In most schools, if you return the work at 8 PM, your child's teacher will still be very happy to see it's been completed. It just means it won't be marked until the following day, but that's okay. If your child is adamant they aren't participating in school at all, try a timer. If you give your child 10 minutes to do what they want, then they'll have to do one sheet of schoolwork. It's still getting done and you avoid unnecessary stress. If your child is distracted and restless, try taking them out on a walk. Change things up a little. If you take your child out for a walk, get them out into the fresh air, then come back to the work, you'll both feel calmer and ready to tackle anything. Try changing the format. If your child is really enjoying a topic but doesn't love how it's being delivered to them, try finding other ways. Maybe try showing them a YouTube video that you have watched first on the topic. They might be more engaged in a format that they enjoy. Remember, learning is everywhere. Try taking school off the paper and into real life. If they are struggling with maths, try cooking or baking. Weigh out materials and turn it into fractions exercises. You could even get tape measures out and find the diameter of the bowls. Why not try giving your child rewards? Your child is working hard, harder than they do at school. In a school setting, they're removed from distraction. At home, they have to fight it. Try giving small rewards for a successful day's work. Always remember, the most important thing is breaks. No one can concentrate for a prolonged period of time, and your child's no exception. But this doesn't just apply to your child. You are working so hard to make sure your child is doing well in school from your own home. Give yourself a break too. You're doing an amazing job. We hope this can give you a little help in your journey to a stressless homeschool experience. Thank you for watching.